Good day. Welcome to Mass Clinic. I'm Mr. Samson. Today we are looking at fraction. Fractions. What's a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Is a part of a whole. So that means you have a whole and a part of it is called a fraction. So this is an example. If you have, let's say this is an orange. Let's assume this is an orange. You have a whole orange, and you divide it into four equal parts. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of that orange. So if you pick one part of what you have divided, you now have 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. If you pick 2, you have 2 out of 4. If you pick 3, you have 3 out of 4. And if you pick the whole 4, you have 4 all over 4. And this 4 over 4 is 1. That's to tell you that this 4 over 4 is the whole. You have picked the whole. So fraction is just part of a whole. That's the meaning of fraction. So 1 all over 4 is a part of a whole. And we have types of fraction. We have proper fractions. An example of proper fraction, you have 1 all over 3, you have 2 all over 5, and etc. Now, you check something about proper fraction. A smaller number, that's the numerator, is always on top of a bigger number, the denominator. So smaller number on top of a bigger number is proper. Smaller number on top of a bigger number is what? Is a proper fraction. What about improper fraction? In improper fraction, you have a big number on top of a small number. A big number on top of a small number. That's a bigger numerator and a smaller denominator. So 5 all over 3, 7 all over 2. These are improper fractions. Then you have mixed numbers. Mixed numbers is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. A whole number and a fraction. So you see this, you have 1 whole number, 2 all over 3. You have 5 whole number, 3 all over 4. We have an example to look at. In this example, it says express the following as mixed numbers. Express the following as mixed numbers. I will solve A and you will solve B, and I will see the answer in the comment section. Now look at A. You have 5 all over 2. You want to change this into a mixed number because this is improper fraction, and in mathematics it's not advisable that you leave your answer in an improper fraction. Sorry, I said this is a mix. This is an improper fraction. It's not advisable for you in mathematics to leave your answer as an improper fraction. You change it to a mixed number or mixed fraction. So how do we change this to a mixed fraction? 5 divided by 2 will go, so 2 will go into 5 2 times, remainder 1. So if it will go 2 times, you write 2. I don't know, your own might go 3 times, you write 3. Anything you are doing, it depends on what you are doing. So 2 is going into 5 2 times, so you write 2. Remainder 1. The remainder becomes your numerator, and then this denominator remains the denominator. That means if here is 3, here will be 3. If here is 4, here will be 4. If here is 5, here will be 5. The denominator doesn't change. So 2 into 5 goes 2 times remainder 1. The remainder is always the numerator, and then the denominator remains the same denominator. With this, you have converted an improper fraction to what? To a mixed number. I'd like you to do the B, and let me see your answer in the comment section. Thank you.